Welcome to the theoretical section of it. The theory is important. You saw me rushing through just a previous and then practical. And so we need to talk about certain things that are almost inevitable if we are going to study. And so yes, we have to discuss them quickly as theory. So here we go. Let's get on to our exercise files. Now we're going to do exercise files. I just go over here and navigate to exercise files. If it's not there, just click this button and I'm up. And I'll go to my O2 folder. And again, the exercise files, it's available to you. I'll create a new one. Again, I will do the init.py and I will do the I will do the main.kml, and I'll do the hi.py, and I hope that will be it. And so yes, I will start with our init from pi qt5 import q, do application from qt5 qt-kml, import qt-kml application engine, and then that'll be it. Look, I won't forget to import sys. Let me continue from hi, import say hi. I'll click on to my hi and import pi-qt5, qt core, import q object, forgive me for the background noise if you can hear. It's raining over here, that's why. Sure, forgive me for that. Q object. Down one more. One. And I raise the Q object. And that'll be all. I remain the Q, and then I will app system.admin value and say hi. And root contents, we do the root contents again, the root contents again. I'll pass it over. And then I say hi object. I'll pass it, and say hi. And then I have an engine going, and we're again the new kernel engine.quick.connect. We'll connect it to the app real quick, and system exit to app exit. Alright. So yes, we'll start scripting our main.kml. I think we'll go to our SI2 main.kml, double click, and then start over there. So again, it's raining here heavily. That's why you can hear. If you can hear, it's a quick controls, which is controls. That has to do with buttons, test field, input types, even the application window we're using. We discuss all of them when we get to them, not as Qt controls collectively, but they are all Qt controls. The application window that I'm typing now is Qt control. When we have Qt layers, which we not discuss, I can just remove them like this because we're not using it. So width is equal to, for this one I'll just do my idle again. Height 480. There'll be no image in this, but the QML type in this caching, the rectangle, it is one of QML's basic type. It's really powerful. It's one of the if you like do amazing things with QML, it might be one of your biggest thing. So here's the thing about the rectangle. This whole tutorial is about rectangle. The rectangle should have two of these, the width and height. It should be there. It's compulsory. A width and height should be there, a width should be there, maybe a width of 120, a height of say 40. These two should be there. And then there's a color. The default color is white. You can change it to something else like Georgia blue. And then now we have this. I will run it for you to see. I'm using our Python, but of course I would prefer a QML scene run. So here's where we discuss QML scene. I can run it, but I'm going to go up the QML scene. So go to where you have your Minconda installed or Anaconda if you didn't really, and you have PyQt 5.10 because you have it. If you don't have it, I told you how to uninstall PyQt. The one is coming with it using pip. I'm not using Conda because Conda won't show you anything. So go into your lib because you're going after PyQt. Then site PyQt 5. Then the Qt where we have QML scene installed. Now that's QML scene. Far from running it like this, we're going to run it with the DOS. I'm going to go into CMD. If you're using your bash, then you can use your bash. But I'll just navigate to this folder where I have QML scene. Using your bash, you can navigate, right? I just do paste and then navigate to that folder. Whether it's QML scene, .exe or .dmg or whatever it is. So yes, the QML scene, I will add the .exe. I don't have to, it's unnecessary. Now I'll pass in the file where the file is. The file is down. At least I want to see where it's put into. So the file is in our SIS file, so main.kml. I just drag it, drop it. I don't know how you're gonna do it in Linux or in Mac, but get it done. Now you can see QML scene, run it without caring about the Python. We didn't have to run it via Python. Now what's good about this is that we get to get error reports right here telling us what's bad, what's wrong with QML. This guy only tells us what's wrong with Python, which is just great. But if you have an error in your QML, the app won't show up. It will just be there. That thread will just run, the QML thread will just not show up, and that will be a problem for you. But now you can see our rectangle right now. I mean, it's just there. It's a rectangle, 120, 40, and it has a color. Like I said, all this has an inherent color of white. Even the application window has an inherent color, a default color of white, which we can change. We were not discussing application window. So the width and the height, both of them has to be there. If it's one of them is not there, it won't display. It will behave as if you set this guy to You've set this visibility to invisible. Now remember, this guy has a visible, so we can give this guy to a visible, a true. Almost every visual layout, visual object in here now has this visible thing, and the visual objects are things that are you put in there that are depth visible. Some things are just for layout, some things are therefore for you to use as containers and all that. Most containers are not themselves visible, and there are a lot of things that are not visible. So these guys are visible, and then you can set its visibility to true. Now if I save this and we run the key on again, because nothing changes, because the visibility is if I set it to false, it shouldn't show. I save it and rerun again, and then it doesn't show because the visibility is off. But if I set it to true, default, first if I've just done this and I left out one of the width or the height, maybe I didn't set a height for a rectangle, it's not going to show up. Let me set height again. I set height and it's showing up. So now I take away the height like this. I just take away the height, so there's no height. It's not going to show up. It's behaving as if visibility has been turned off. So you need a 2. You need a 2 to be there. You need a 2 to be there, so that it will show up. And the color you can change it. You can make the color transparent, right? You can change it. There's a color like transparent. You can spell it the first you can capital. You can spell it like this. Now it's supposed to show up because I have a color transparent. I can change it back to orange. And we have overall orange red before, and yes, and then you can see it has a color, it has a width, it has a height, it has visibility, it has almost a lot of things, but those things aren't really unique to the rectangle. So this is where we end. We're going to use a rectangle a lot of times, so we have to discuss it. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Yeah.